Hi, everyone. I am hoping that this finds you well, all of you wonderful website coordinators. I had a meeting yesterday with the project manager, and there was an important point that came out that I wanted to share with you very quickly. It's not a huge deal, but it could cause some trouble when we first turn on the website. So I'm going to show you kind of where I think the issue is going to happen the most, and then I'm going to show you how to fix it. Right now, if you look up at my screen here, you can tell that I'm at this New York 0220557.schoolwales.net page. Well, when we change, it's going to go to StarPoint CSD. So if we use this address in linking anything within the site, it's not going to recognize it come time when the new one turns on. It is a pretty easy fix, though. I think most of us might have used these links when we set up the staff directory or another page. Again, these are links that go within the site. So I click on staff directory and it keeps me in the site to the staff directory. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So one more time, we need to fix these links right here to make sure that they don't send people to this address once we turn the new one on. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So most of us, when we set these up, we set maybe the global icons that way. So I'm going to go into my site manager, and I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to go into advanced, and I'm going to hit change. And I think for all four of you, I think I've taken you here and shown you what to do, and a lot of you have made changes to this. So I'm going to show you the difference between the two. So when I scroll down here on the left, I'm going to go to my global icons, which are these gray things across the bottom. When I click on this and I scroll down, you can see my first global icon, my parent portal one. I have a nice address there. That won't be any problem because it's leaving the site. I have my calendar one. I have my schoolbucks one. But let's look at my athletics one. Now notice I have this address here. I can't have that address there. According to Grant, that address will mess us all up come the new site. But it's a real easy fix because at the end of the address, I have a page. So all I have to do is just delete that part that has that address in it. That's going to tell me to go to a page within the website, and I don't need that other part at all. So I'm going to hit save and preview, and I'm going to show you when I click on that athletics, it goes there no problem. So we have to fix those. So I have, let's see, I have a staff directory. Notice that's like that. So I need to just highlight that, save and preview. Let me scroll down to that staff directory to make sure it works, and it works. I'll scroll down to my I think I passed one up here, the calendar one. No, I fixed the calendar one. There it is, page 10. So that applies to all those. Don't forget after you hit save and preview for the changes to take place, you want to hit publish and exit, and it'll go away. Now, I've done that somewhere else too. So let's say you've done that within your page. So if I click on this district one, I have a staff directory here. Okay. And right now I notice that it's just a content app. I don't really have to worry about that one. But there might be other places where we had links go somewhere. Okay. I'm just clicking through as I'm talking to you, but they might go somewhere. So we want to make sure that if we have links that go anywhere, that we have them going to the right place. And again, all you have to do is take out the address part. You can see even when I'm on the actual website here, up in the address, the only part that we need, we don't need that part. The only part that we need is this part right here that says where we're going. So every single page on the whole site, let's say if I was really interested in APPR, all I would need to do is get rid of that part if I'm linking to something. So hopefully that will help you. I know it might cause you to do a bit more work, but it's a huge change that if we have any links going anywhere, or we forgot about them and they don't work, that's when we'll know how to fix them. It won't be a big deal then. I know I link different things around there. There's my staff directory button. I'm going to have to check all those to make sure that they're right. Okay. I wanted to show you one other thing too, real quick. If I click on this StarPoint Google launch page and links, actually two other things. I have the website help link right here, which is coming soon. I also have put in the StartPoint website links a link to the brand new web page temporarily. So if there are teachers that want to go to it, or someone wants to go to it and they can't remember the, that big H New York 022, it's there so that we can get to it and work on it pretty efficiently. So that's the first thing. The other thing that I wanted to show you, if I can remember, is I want to go to Furcano. I sat with the Furcano secretary not that long ago, and I know a lot of us on our page here, I'm going to be clicking around a little bit. Sorry for that. A lot of us on our page here, I'm going to go to the district site first, have been using the Spotlight and been messing with the Spotlight for news, where we're able to write news stories. When I was talking to the Furcano secretary, and she's the one that updates it, she kind of wanted a simpler way to update it. She wanted to try something else. And by the way, Shana, she's going to reach out to you to talk to you about this if she hasn't already. We tried a different app called the Announcements app, and we were messing with it. And the Announcements app, if you put it in section B, will be this nice red bar. It won't have any linkable stories. It will just have whatever your announcement is. So we made 2 yesterday. We made this one, and then we made a test one. And we can control how many are there. So let me show you that real quick. Let me get into the Furcano site. And I'm going to go to the home page. And we put it in there. It's called an Announcements app. And it's a little bit easier to use, I think, than the other one. And it just has in a title. It's got the start date and what's there. And that's it. It's nice and simple. Whereas the other app that a lot of you maybe have tried, and you can still use it if you'd like, it's really up to you. We're using the, I believe it's the Headlines and Features one. Of course, now my computer's going to spin. Yeah, we're using the Headlines and Features one, which is a lot more involved with the headline. We have all these things. So something to think about. And one last thing now that I'm thinking of it, we were messing around yesterday, Shana. Sorry, it was on your Furcano site. We put the quick links at the bottom in part E, and it seemed to look better. It just seemed to look a lot better than to have all those quick links there. And it's really up to you. I kind of like the way it looks. So did she. You're not bound by this, but this is section E. And right now we have A, we have this in B, we have the calendar in C, this in D, and this in E. So there's a quick website update from yours truly. You guys are all doing a great job. Just keep it up. Make sure that all the other people, if anyone's working with you, they know what's going on. And we'll talk soon. Let me close out this video and wish you luck. See ya.